Hi, Anchalee.
Hi.
What are you gonna read for us today?
Go, dog, go.
Okay, who wrote the book? By
Dr. Sue.
Dr. Seuss? Okay.
Go, dog, go.
All right.
By Dr. Sue.
Okay.
Dog. Big dog, little dog.
Okay.
Big dog and little dog. Black and white dog. Hello, hello. Do you like my hat? I do not. Goodbye, goodbye.
Good job. How old are you?
5.
4? Okay.
One little dog going in. 3 big dogs going out.
Good job.
I like to read this book.
It's fun, isn't it? I do too.
I red dog on a blue tree. A blue dog on a red tree. A green dog on a yellow tree. Some big dogs and some little dogs going
Around?
around in cars.
Right.
2 big dogs going up. 1 little dog going down. Down.
Stop.
The green dog is up. The yellow dog is down.
Yeah. What next? I can't see the word. Okay, go ahead.
The blue dog is in.
Yeah, that's right. That's a funny voice. Okay, next. You're doing good job. I'm so proud of you.
1 dog is
One dog up. Uh-huh.
3 dogs down in the water.
That's right.
In the
Mhm.
water.
Okay. Let's see if we can try to go a little bit more before we run out of battery.
Okay.
It's still working though.
I green dog away I tree.
Okay.
When the that's lighting up, it's still walking.
Mhm.
I need to look at it so it can walk.
Yeah. You want to read some more?
Little dog is.
Okay.
Gotta go.